I'm Ayesha Omar, and I am a proud Pakistani. I am so grateful and I'm so proud of my country and our armed forces for the way we have responded to India's completely cowardly attacks last night on our religious places, our civilian areas where innocent children and women and men have lost their lives. Prayers for the ones who've lost their lives and my deepest condolences to their families. India has violated all rules of war, gone against humanity. Pakistan has always condemned acts of violence all over the world or in our country, even when we've been blamed for it. We never celebrate violence. India has accused Pakistan of the Pahalgam attacks without any evidence or investigation in the matter. And the Indian government, the Indian media has put so much hate and division amongst the hearts of its people for Pakistan. All political differences aside, I love my country and I will always fearlessly defend it. Pakistan, Zindabad.